Chicago health officials are urging people to get their COVID-19 vaccine boosters as soon as possible to help avoid a full-blown winter surge. And now the city's top doctor says she's concerned about a tripledemic. It's a combination of the COVID, flu, and RSV viruses. CBS 2's Sade Gray spent the day in the Inglewood neighborhood where people are paying attention.
Dr. Allison Arwady predicts Chicago will move back into the medium COVID-19 risk level in the following weeks. Today, residents aren't taking any chances with the winter season approaching.
And we definitely want to get that shot, get those boosters, because we know too many people that didn't make it through the pandemic.
Danny and Camille Lee want to make sure they're prepared for this winter.
If you get both of them, you may not make it, because your body can only withstand and can fight off so much. And it cannot fight off COVID and the flu.
Today, several people walked into Kennedy King College to get their booster or flu, sponsored by the Chicago Department of Public Health. Commissioner Dr. Allison Arwady says she's looking past Halloween to the respiratory virus season, which is when she expects to see another surge in COVID-19.
So last week, 1% was high, 18% was medium. This week, 2% are high, 22% are medium. Just a slight uptick. But my concern is we'll probably continue to see upticks like this as we move inside, the weather gets cold, and we hit our respiratory season.
COVID isn't the only concern. Arwady says Chicago is already seeing a higher acute respiratory hospitalization among children and higher rates of RSV than it has in the last 2 years.
When I see how much RSV is already hitting us, and I know that every year we have a flu and a COVID season, my crystal ball says, get your kids vaccinated, please.
You're going to be famous.
Aaron Trujillo wanted to get his 1.5-year-old son his second dose of the vaccine.
So it's really important to keep healthy and be responsible for everyone.
The University of Illinois has launched a test kit that eliminates the confusion over COVID, flu, and RSV, which have similar symptoms. The test will help customers know within 24 hours if they have one of these 3 viruses. Dr. Arwady recommends you get the vaccine and booster shot now while it's still free through federal funding, because she says by the first quarter of next year, it will come with a cost. Reporting in Inglewood, Sade Gray, CBS 2 News.
Chicago public health officials say booster shots are keeping hospitalizations down, and health experts say people who are unvaccinated are more likely to be hospitalized with COVID-19 than folks who have gotten all of their shots.